Hey NEWNEW family, thank you for tuning in again. If you clicked on this video on purpose, thank you. I appreciate you. If you clicked on this video by accident, I appreciate you. If you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so when I post a video, you're the first to pull up. And if you are subscribed, thank you and I love you. So here I am just cleaning out my beauty tray. It was really filthy, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I do hair. I've said it before. I'm a hair braider, and I just needed to revise my whole tray. I was getting some new products, and so I just was trying to clean it up and, you know, just freshen up. And plus, I had to prepare for a client that I had for the next morning. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey y'all see my tray? I should have actually showed y'all it before with all the product on top of it, but I took everything down. That's how it looked, greasy at the top. And these are all the hair products. So yeah, back to the video. Hey y'all, so as you can see, I am finally done with very little help from my baby Royalty, but this is how it looks. Everything is clean, everything is well put together and ready for the week and ready to get this coin. If you know, you know. Now I'm fully ready for my client tomorrow. She's going to be getting knotless braids in the color 30 and number 1, just in case you want to know. Thank you for watching this video. I love y'all.